Hello. I wanted to chat a little bit about gluten-free flour today. So my jar is empty for gluten-free flour, and I'm getting ready to refill. This is the kind of the flour that I use. It's King Arthur Baking Company gluten-free measure-for-measure flour. I'll show you what it looks like.
My eyeball.
And you've got your non-GMO verified and all that, and it's gluten-free. I really like this kind because it's easy to work with. I have worked with different types of flour in the past where I had to make it myself, and it was okay, but it was not the best. So I recommend this type because it's already done for you, and it comes out very much like regular flour. Alrighty, so that is just what I like to use. I'm refilling this. So usually it doesn't fill the whole half-gallon jar, and that's okay. I don't mind that. I just use up the rest of it elsewhere. But anyway, I wanted to give you that information for if you are doing gluten-free flour, you know where to look. So look for your King Arthur gluten-free measure-for-measure flour, and that's a great place to start for baking gluten-free. You can also do your pre-mixed flours for like cakes and such, and that's great unless there's specific ingredients that may be triggering, pain or asthma or skin problems, digestive problems. So just be aware of that. This is a good way to start. So have a good job, a good time of starting out. I'm wishing you luck on your gluten-free journey. Bye-bye.